We're diving into a topic that combines two important facets of sustainable living, that is eco-veganism on a budget. But here's the kickeroo, doing it all on a shoestring budget. So, if you're passionate about the planet and your own well-being, but also mindful of your wallet, stick around. Bulk shopping bliss. Let's begin with groceries. Instead of buying packaged items, invest in reusable glass jars or cloth bags and head to the bulk section. From lentils to rice, oats, and spices, most staple foods are available in bulk. This not only eliminates single-use plastic but also lets you buy the exact amount you need, reducing food waste and saving money. Meal planning mastery. Plan your meals around what's in season and what's on sale. Seasonal produce is typically more affordable and it hasn't traveled thousands of miles to get to you, making it a more eco-friendly choice. Create a meal plan that allows you to repurpose ingredients. For instance, Monday's roasted vegetables can become Tuesday's stir-fry and Wednesday's soup. Composting marvel. Composting kitchen scraps like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and vegetable trimmings is not just for gardeners. It's a simple practice that can dramatically reduce household waste. If you don't have a garden, look for community compost bins or even consider a small, odorless, indoor composting system. DIY vegan creations. Before reaching for that $10 bottle of vegan mayonnaise or almond milk, remember that you can make many of these items at home. With a food processor or a blender, you can whip up hummus, nut butters, plant-based milks, and even tofu. This will not only save you money but also allow you to control the ingredients, steering clear of preservatives and additives. Personal care revolution. When it comes to personal care products, look for items that are both vegan and zero waste. Many conventional products come in plastic packaging and contain animal-derived ingredients. Opt for bar soaps, shampoo bars, and toothpaste tablets. They last longer, they're often cheaper per use, and they're completely waste-free. The $1 mastery. Reduce, reuse, recycle, rot, and refuse. Be mindful of the things you bring into your life. Invest in reusable items like a stainless steel water bottle, a bamboo toothbrush, and cloth napkins. Turn old t-shirts into cleaning rags. Refuse items you don't need, especially if they're not sustainable or vegan-friendly. Make thrifting your new normal. Clothes contribute significantly to both waste and unethical labor practices. Before buying new, consider thrifting. You'll be amazed at the gems you can find at a fraction of the cost. If you're crafty, you can even upcycle clothing items to fit your style. So there you have it, 7 actionable steps to live a zero-waste vegan lifestyle without breaking the bank. It's not just a trendy thing to do. It's a meaningful way to align your everyday choices with your values of compassion, sustainability, and health. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, take control of your life and make it amazing.